1954 Buick Special two-door hardtop here at Unique Specialty and Classics. I'd say this is kind of a street ride with that patina look to it. Some modern things have been done. Changes along the way. Underneath the hood, 5.3 liter V8. That's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission, power steering, power brakes. Let's go ahead and take a look at the chrome and the bright work up front. I'll show you kind of what I mean by the patina. Even on the chrome, you can see some pitting, imperfections, as well as the bumper too. Of course, flat black paint, and that also shows its age and has patina to it. Now, if you want to see the still picture, so you can take your time looking through this car, look at the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Buick wheel covers, radial tires. Let's go ahead and take a look down this passenger side. And again, consistency with the patina, light scratches, maybe thinner paint, trim pieces. Now, speaking of the trim pieces, there are some extras that are going to go with this car that I'll put back in the trunk. As you can see, more bright work will go with it, some trim pieces. This one here looks like it's for the front of the hood, up in the grill area. That piece I kind of pointed out to begin with, some headlight surrounds, some miscellaneous parts. Again, those will go with this car. Interior is a cloth vinyl combination in black and red. Bench seat up front. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. And if you stick around to the very end of this video, we're going to take this car for a drive so you can see how it goes down the road. Also want you to remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract, but consult with your sales associate first when you call in or email. You can see true dual exhaust. It is set up too if you wanted to pull like a small camper to hot rod events. There is a receiver underneath there. Also a brake setup. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. If you like these old classics, whether it be in the 50s, 40s, 30s, maybe you like hot rods, high performance muscle cars, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what may come through here. These vehicles are all available for sale at the time of the video, and go onto our website. So videos are uploaded daily. If you like taking a look at cars, go ahead and subscribe. As we take a look down the driver's side, again, you can see the light scratching, the patina. Overall look of the car. I do want to mention one of the techs did note when they drove the car, and we may notice it in the driving video too, the speedo and odometer in op. A couple other things they noted: brake pads and or shoes are 90% plus on this one, so plenty of brake life left. I have had the stereo power up. A little spotty on reception, just so you know. Take a look at the seats here. Again, black and red cloth vinyl combination. You'll be able to see the interior in the still pictures also from every angle. Kept a pretty stock looking dash in this car. The exception of the overdrive up here. Designation. As far as starting this car, you want to turn the key to the on position. You'll hear a fuel pump come on. Right down here is a button. There's a start button. We can get you to see that. There you go. So just push this. And again, fuel injected 5.3 liter. You'll see a Tech controller you can turn on over here also. I'll have that in the still picture so you can see it. Give you some readings and different data. Headliner, dome light working. Now that does not sound like your average 1954 Buick Special, does it? cruisings, local shows. Take it out and drive it. Have some fun with this baby. Let me pause this 1 second. I'm going to want to get this hood open. Let's check out this engine bay. There's a look at the underside of the hood. There it is. So again, power steering, power brakes, aluminum radiator, 5.3 liter, Vortec, V8 power, paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Look at how smooth that runs. Of course, serpentine belt system, coil over plug. Nice setup, reliable power plant. Remember, we'll also see how this goes down the road. So 1954 Buick Special 2-door hardtop, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we'd assist with transportation. Look forward to hearing from you on this one.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1954 Buick Special in black. The little patina on this car. You got a black and red interior, it looks nice. This is an automatic on the column. Under the dash is an aftermarket radio that does power up and is ready for your device to plug in or Bluetooth to it. Let's see how this car does on the highway. Very strong acceleration on this Buick. Awesome rumble to that exhaust. The exhaust sounds old school to me, but I don't think the power plant is. You've got a Tech controller right here giving us readouts for the RPM, the map, the coolant temp, speed, spark advance, all that good stuff. The coolant temperature is showing 136 degrees on that screen. Our factory speedometer is not moving. The oil pressure on the factory gauge is reading high, which is generally a good thing. Temperature gauge, the old one is probably not hooked up. That hasn't moved. Amps are right in the middle. They have not moved. Fuel gauge is reading full. The great thing about this car, one of the great things, is the style. The dash itself is just really cool. We've got these levers that look like they can run an airplane or a boat from the 50s, of course. Cigarette lighter is this little ball right here, stuck into a mesh screen with speakers behind it. Ashtray swings out. The style is just amazing. Power steering in this decorative center cap. Factory horn working great. This car has really nice road manners. It is a smooth ride. Luxurious ride, I might say. It absorbs the bumps well. Got some wind noise coming from this window here. Hopefully you can hear me. Brakes are working really well. You can tell, power brakes. It's got corners really well. All the good ways you can hot rod a car. This one, some of that has been done. It is ready to perform. And looks great doing it. Check out all the pictures of this car and learn more about it at uniqueclassiccars.com.